Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this waterproof phone pouch from Syncwire. Simple, superior, reliable. Summer is on the way, not more than 2 months, and I think it's a great idea to protect your smartphone if you want to use it under the sea, in a depth of 30 meters the maximum. Well, let's find out more about the specs. Universal, it is the waterproof phone pouch. IPX8 certified waterproof. Protect your phone from wet substances like water, snow, dirt, and dust under extreme conditions. Adjustable strap, snap and lock closure system and adjustable neck strap deliver great convenience in every detail. Wide compatibility, the waterproof phone pouch fits all your smartphone's devices up to 7 inch, if that is an iPhone, Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, all the brands at the market. Sensitive touch, premium soft and transparent TPU material enables seamless usage of phone touchscreen and camera. Gentle reminder, hydraulic pressure may affect the operation of the touchscreen under certain depths, and the waterproof bags do not work with a Touch ID. Well, nice all that to know. Let's open to see what we have inside, use it, and I will test it at the water. Not on a 30 meters depth, of course, I'm not a diver, but something we will do. And this is on a black and green. It is two different colors, 2 in 1 package. Nice. Definitely it feels premium. Around we can see we've got this airbag. Nice, I like it. We've got a crystal clear window on the front and at the back. This floating waterproof mobile phone case is perfect for taking photos and videos, answering calls and checking emails and other functions to your smartphone. It is a high quality soft TPU material, has been specially designed for high touch sensitivity and quick response. And here we can see it says close and open, easy to unlock. Just pull these 2 levers, unlock. That was all. Remove the installation guide. Thank you, everything is here. And we've gotten this strap for your neck. Lovely, I like it. Adjustable from here as much you want. Nice. Nice plastic clip, but it is very durable, very premium. Syncwire is making a premium products, definitely. Just buy them and enjoy a long time of use. And the same it is and for the green. And let's install my smartphone, but before that it will be wisely to remove any case. This is the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Wow, and it fits perfect. And it has more space. That means you can install a bigger phone, definitely even an iPhone 13 Pro Max. And of course you can switch it off, remove any bubbles for a proper installation, remove as much as you can. We need to stick this transparent plastic at the screen. That's how you can use it better. And then just lock it with these 2 levers. They go here. Press and lock. Nice. Now, before using your smartphone, it will be wisely just go to your smartphone settings, display and enable the touch sensitivity. And then, well, oh, it works. Okay, and then you can slide, it's working, perfect. And maybe you can right. Oh. Nice response. And definitely you can write. Of course it will be a little bit tricky with the buttons, but okay. And let's open in the camera. And there's the camera. Oh. Well, I can say it's working good. Definitely you can see very well and even recognize some settings. Tap to scan. Nice. You can take a photo, start a video. It's responding. Perfect. Now let's try it under the water. Okay, here we are. Seeing it at the bottom of this plastic, it is about 50 centimeters the depth. And as you can see, guys, it's floating for a while, and then because the weight of the smartphone is going at the bottom. And responding under the water is hard. You need to bring it out of the water and then slide it left and right, open the camera. There's the camera. Now it's floating. And by just pressing the button, not under the water, it's too hard. Press the button to record. Nice. It is a great way to protect your smartphone. Now, I would like to leave it about 10 minutes under the water just to check if we've got any leaks. Okay, 10 minutes was fine. And now let's clean it. Okay, I don't see any water inside the case. Move my smartphone. No. The best way to check is just insert this paper inside. If there is any water, the paper will absorb the water. No, it is clean. Perfect. Well guys, that was all about. I think it's a great way to protect your smartphone under the water in a maximum 30 meters on a swimming pool or at the sea. It is your choice. And protect it from any dirt and of course and at the snow. It is your choice how you want to use it. If you want to buy it, you can check down below to the description. There is a link, just click it and find more information about this product. And of course there are other colors. Maybe you like something else and buy a different color. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.